Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with program number 4 of unit number 7. The standard form of quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where d equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is what? D is the discriminant, and what you have to do? You have to determine the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. As in mathematics we are writing, same way the rules are same. Now here the condition is given, table is given, this side the conditions are written and this side the nature which is to be printed is given. So if this discriminant is greater than equal to 0, you have to print roots are real, and if this discriminant is less than 0, you have to print roots are imaginary. This is the question. And if the roots are real, if this roots are real, then these two roots you have to display these two roots also. R1 is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and R2 is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So these two roots you have to print if the roots are real. Otherwise, if the this discriminant is less than 0, then no need to print the roots, no roots will come, only roots will be imaginary, and just you have to display the message. Now let's start with the program. Class quad EQ, that quadratic equation I have written the short form. Then all the variables which you need, discriminant you need, roots you need, R1 and R2, those we have declared of double type, because it can, the answer can come in the decimals also. Now here you have to check in the program, in the formulas, which values we need. Now if you see the discriminant also, here which all variables values we need? A, B and C. 3 variables we need. So the values which we have to input, those variables we have to write in parameters. So we need the values of A, B, C, so those we have written in the parameters. And then discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac, that we have written. Now the first condition is if d is greater than equal to 0, that we have written. If d is greater than equal to 0, then one thing we have to display, that roots are imaginary, and we have to display the roots also. These two roots which I told you, these two roots also we have to display. Now how these roots we have to display? We cannot write like this as we are writing in mathematics. Here we have to write minus b under root b square minus 4ac, that b square minus 4ac we have named it as d. So here we can write under root d, under root we cannot put, we have to write math.sqrt d, and then over 2a. You cannot write 2a in this form, you have to write 2 into a when you are writing in computers. So these two roots we are writing, R2 is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So b square minus 4ac upon 2a we have named as d. So math.sqrt d upon 2a. These are the two roots which are to be displayed. And then first this message we have displayed, roots are real, and second roots are, that will be displayed as it is, and R1 value will be displayed, then in between space will come, and then R2 value we have to display. So both the roots values we have displayed, and if this if is false, that means if d is not greater than equal to 0, that means d is less than 0. So it will go in else part and it will write roots are imaginary. So this was the fourth question.